How's it going, good people? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute since I posted a vid. I know I need to get back on it. Yeah, I got a little something different than what I use, like a how-to video. Gonna do like a probably like a product review, or just a little product that I found. Some headlights. I usually do HIDs, but I ain't really care to spend that much money on them, so I found something a little cheaper that kind of does the job. They it's not a HID, like put out like a xenon look, like a white screen white. That's what they call it. Got the Optilux by Hella, extreme white XB. Yeah, so you see it got like a little blue tint to it. Don't really show blue, it show like a bright white. I got a pair in my Trailblazer already, so I figure I'm gonna put some in my Maxima. I have a 2010 Maxima that I pretty much drive every day, and they don't have some of the Maxima came with the HIDs, but this one I got like the base model Maxima, so it came with the regular bulbs. It put out like a orange look, like a regular bulb. But I want to, give it like a, a little modern look, a little bright white. I'm probably gonna cut to a video and show you what it looked like before, so you see what I'm saying. So yeah, that's what they look like now. Go ahead and get started on putting them in. I'll probably give you a video of what they look like afterwards. Let's see what it show up in the daytime. Let me cut them off. See what they look like. This is the Maxima right here. I actually might start doing a few videos on this. There's a few things I want to do to it that feel like worthy of going on the channel, so might do a few videos with this too. Oh yeah, that's my truck too, 1500 HD truck. Got some vids coming on that too, so pretty much my ultimate 3 lineup right here. That's my truck, the Maxima, and big girl sitting right there. So yeah, but yeah, it's can't really see it, it's too bright out, but you can kind of see like the yellowish oranges to it right here. But yeah, like I said, it wasn't, I mean, they show clearly, just wanted to switch it up. Let me show you the I don't have a light on, but you can see, might be able to see like a little blue tint to it. The Trailblazer, I need to clean these lights. Yeah, so we're gonna get started on putting these in and figure out what it look like. Alright people, we back. Got a little sidetracked yesterday, so I wasn't able to put the lights in, but we'll go ahead and get started on it now. I'm at home now. Pull the car in the garage and go ahead and I think I'm gonna have to remove the inner fender line and to get to the bulb. They say take the bump off. It's supposed to be easier, but I don't feel like taking the whole bump off when I can just pull back the inner fender line and do it that way. So get started on it. Okay, got it back a little bit. Let's see. Just pull this back and you can see. Tell the camera focus. Come on, focus. There you go. That's the bulb right there. Go ahead and pop that out, change it out, see what it look like. Two. Alright, let's pop this one in and see what it look like. Alright, got that in. We cut this light switch on and see what it look like. Alright. Alright. Right off bat, you can tell the difference. It's the right side we just put in and the left side with the old one. Like I said, just give it a better look. Let me see. Yeah, that's it. Try to focus on it. It's the old one. It's the new one. Yep. So, if you guys thinking about getting these, I say go with them. I found them. Well, I found these on eBay. It was like $20. But most places had it for like $20, $25. It was a place down here. It's called Summit that had them. It was just, I just didn't want to, it's kind of far away from me, so I didn't want to drive that far. So I just ordered them off eBay, and it was the same price. It was $20 at Summit and $20 online. But yeah, that's it.